Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Apple TV 4K and connect it to your television, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth installation process. Step 1. Unbox your Apple TV 4K and ensure you have all components including the Apple TV unit, Siri remote, power cord, and HDMI cable. Step 2. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your Apple TV 4K and the other end to an available HDMI port on your television. Step 3. Plug the power cord into the Apple TV 4K and connect it to a power outlet. The device will power on automatically. Step 4. Turn on your television and switch to the HDMI input where you connected the Apple TV. You should see the Apple TV setup screen. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and region. Use the Siri remote to navigate by swiping on the touch surface. Step 6. Connect your Apple TV to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network name and entering the password when prompted. Step 7. Sign in with your Apple ID to access all your content, subscriptions, and settings. If you don't have one, you can create a new Apple ID during setup. Step 8. Complete the setup by agreeing to terms and conditions and customize settings like screensaver preferences and location services. Your Apple TV 4K is now ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.